Hello, my name is Chris Palmer, and in today's local SEO 2020 video, I want to go over some Google My Business tips. Now, really, this should be the local SEO 2020 Google My Business, the biggest secret that you're going to hear all year. Now, this comes up time and time again. How do I get more Google My Business listings? Now, people want to achieve more phone calls, get more customers, get more business, and I always revert back to the ecosystem. Now, I have gone over numerous videos on how to get Google My Business listings verified, how to get multiple Google My Business listings. I've talked about data aggregation, which is this photo here, and I've talked about the local guides program. Now, that is me actually going over and giving you all of the pieces to lead up to the biggest secret that I want to give to you today. And that secret is simply this. Google search engine controls it all. It has access to everything. This data aggregation is very, very important. So I want to let you know this. For your Google My Businesses, my friends, you are doing it and going about it all wrong. You're thinking about it the wrong way. And before I get into the actual tip, I want to let you know this. Citations, like we have gone over before, are digital mentions. Now, the local guides program will actually go and vet Google My Business listings. It checks for phone numbers. It checks for websites. It checks for all of the pieces. Now, the data aggregation will serve the information that it finds, and Google, right, takes in all of this information. Now, I've covered those three things to tell you this. If there are enough digital mentions online, okay, that is citations. If you can build enough citations of your business, giving digital presence all over the internet. Now, we're not talking about 100 or 200, but if there are enough digital mentions, okay, I want to make this 100% clear. If there is enough, Google will actually make and create and help you push out more listings. I'm sure that you have seen this out in the wild more times than not, and this is a huge secret that tons of SEOs know, but they do not say. On a very large scale, there are SEOs all of the time creating thousands and thousands of digital references. They have local guides. You could hire this out to VAs. This could be an all day. We're talking about businesses receiving calls and earning. If you think for a moment that SEOs are not creating as many citations to get aggregated and to have Google create listings for them, that this is a reality. I want you to grow your business, and to break this down in a very simple form is this. If you create enough digital mentions, if you submit enough information to the data aggregation and permit enough time, and you are consistent with this, you will start to see your business listings. If there's enough mentions, Google will actually push out Google My Business listings for you. This happens time and time again. You may have even saw this and did not know. So to wrap up today's massive tip, you're going about it wrong. Instead of creating the accounts, instead of creating Google My Business accounts, creating Gmails, going in and creating the accounts, getting them taken down, push out enough data, enough digital references, enough citations, make enough points online that Google will actually push out your listings to get vetted by their local guides. Now, you could be on both sides of this. So my objective, my goal here is to have you succeed. I wanted to just go ahead and open your eyes to another side that you may not have been thinking about, so you too can start bringing in more customers, so you can start getting more calls, so you can grow your business. I want to leave off with one final tip. I want to give you two pieces. If you've made it this far and you're sending yourself reviews, okay, you're probably finding that they're getting taken down. Now, if you want your reviews to stick and hold more weight, you need to have your reviewer needs to be verified. So these are the two tips. I gave you a massive tip. I just want to switch your thinking. I want you to also succeed. If you have any questions about local SEO, Google My Business, Facebook ads, digital marketing, anything marketing related, please leave it in the comments below. And I look forward to seeing you in the next local SEO video for 2020. Have a wonderful day.